Protein-packed waffles. For most people, waffles might fall into the junk food category, but my recipe will change your mind. First, we will soak red lentils with unsweetened almond milk overnight. Season with a pinch of salt and 1 date. Then the next day, when you're ready to make your waffles, add your spices. I like to use cardamom and cinnamon, so I have a pinch of both and a little bit of baking powder. Blend until smooth. Now it's time to preheat your waffle iron. Pour over waffle batter. And look at that crispy waffle. Now it's time to prepare the toppings. For the topping, I've made a sweetened whipped cream with powdered sugar. Now here's the fat comes in. Top your waffles with a generous amount of whipped cream. Sprinkle mixed seeds and toasted coconut chips. Last but not least, maple syrup. This waffle recipe is so versatile you can serve it sweet or savory. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time.